Hello folks, this is Liu Will channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried eggs with green onion or scallion. Chinese name called 葱爆鸡蛋，大葱炒鸡蛋，笨鸡蛋炒大葱。And the main ingredient we need eggs, and we also need scallions. And this time I'll show you 3 ways to cook the fried eggs with scallion. And yeah, those are main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, cut the scallion. Those scallions are already washed and peel the dead skin, pick the dead skin, and we cut the root off. So we get 2 scallions. We cut like this. We just chop it. Try to cut it as small as possible, kind of like this. This is one kind of scallion. Okay, cut the scallion a different way. We first cut the root off. The scallion we cut like this. We cut it like this. So the final will be like this. This is a different kind we cut the scallion. This is the third we cut scallion. We cut the root off. And we just cut it like this, be long like this. With a plate. So you see what it look like. So 3 we cut the scallion. Okay, we crack 4 eggs. This is the salt. We add a pinch of salt to it. Don't add too much. This is the black pepper. Add a pinch of black pepper. Don't add too much. This is the chopped scallion. We add a chopped scallion into it. Now we get a chopstick, and you can use a chopstick to mix the egg. You can use a mixture to mix the egg, salt, black pepper, and green onion together. Mix well. This is the one we will make a fried egg with scallion. Okay, mix well. Okay, our crackers are 8 eggs in this. And milk. This is the salt. We add a pinch of salt to it. Don't add too much. And pinch. This is the black pepper. Add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. Okay, with your chopstick, you can use a mixture to mix the egg. Make the yellow part and the white part mix well. When the yellow part and white part mix well, then we go to cook the eggs. On the stove, high fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. rinse the pot. Just wait when the oil is hot. When we fry the eggs, we want the oil is hot. This is very important. Okay, right now you can see there's a little smoke, and it means the oil is ready. We add the egg to it. You hear the sound. The sound like this means the oil is good. You can use the pot to turn it over, or you can just use this to turn it over. Right now, okay. Just fry with no running eggs, and you don't see any raw eggs, running eggs, and that means this egg is done. We just turn off the stove. Okay, put this into the right side of the pan. Okay, put it away. Turn on the stove. High fire. This is the vegetable oil. We added 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Rinse the pot. Just wait until the oil is hot. You can add a piece of scallion to see the oil is ready. Right now you can see the oil is ready. So this pot of oil. This pot of oil is ready, so we add half of the egg. Add half, leave half. Okay. Alright. You can use a pot to like this to turn the egg over, or you can use this to turn over egg over. Fry the outside. It's all up to you. Okay. And fry. When the outside is fried, you can use that. We can make this egg. We try to like this fry to let the egg become small piece, but not too small, but not too big. Just kind of like this. Okay. Right now you can see there's no running egg. The egg is fully cooked. We turn off the stove. We put the egg into the one bowl. Like this. Put it aside to use later. We turn the stove, medium fire. We add the cut it like this way, onion into the pot. Okay, and fry it. Add a pinch of salt. Don't add too much, just a little, tiny salt. This is the soy sauce. We add a few drops of soy sauce. Don't add too much, a few drops, just a few drops. Okay. This is enough. Okay. Then we add the eggs back to fry. So you can see with the onions fully cooked, we turn off the stove. And to the plate. This is a second way to make the fried egg with the scallion. Okay, turn on the stove. Medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Rinse the pot. Now we add this cut scallion into it. We don't need the oil to very hot. We just add it to slowly fry the scallion until the scallion is brown outside. This is salt. We add a little salt. I think a little salt. Don't add too much. Just a little. Now you can see the scallion the outside is already become brown. We add the mixed egg into it. The rest of the half of the egg into it. Okay, we mix it. Then we add like this. Just fry it. I'll turn the flame to high flame. Remove the egg. Don't let the egg then right now we can turn it over. Okay. Fry the outside. Remove it, don't let it stick to the pot. And fry the outside. Okay, then we can make it let it become small pieces, but not too small. Right. Make sure there's no running eggs and no raw eggs, all the eggs are fully cooked. Okay, I think this egg is all fully cooked. We count so. Okay, we add to the plate. So the fried eggs with the scallion or green onion, and the Chinese name called the 大葱炒鸡蛋 or or 葱爆鸡蛋 or 笨鸡蛋炒大葱. And this dish is done, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.